In the previous video, we knew how Dr. Sadao fell in love with Hana and how his marriage with Hana was arranged. We knew that they were happy with their married life. They had two children. They saw a man come out of the ocean. Now see what happened after that. Who is that? Hannah cried. Seeing the man, Hannah cried and asked, who was that? She dropped Sadao's arm and they both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Now they saw him. Now they means Hannah and Dr. Sadao saw him. He means the man again. Now Hannah and Dr. Sadao saw the man again. The man was on his hands and knees crawling. The man was on his hands and knees and he was crawling. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. Then they saw the man fall on his face and lie there. A fisherman, perhaps Sadao said, basked from his boat. Dr. Sadao said that perhaps the man was a fisherman who might have been basked away from his boat by the waves. He ran quickly down the steps and behind him Hannah came, her white sleeves flying. Seeing the man, Dr. Sadao ran quickly down the steps and behind him Hannah came, her white sleeves flying and her white sleeves were flying. A mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages. A mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages. But here was only the where means open and lonely coast. But at this place there was only the open and lonely coast, dangerous with rocks, and the coast was dangerous with the spiky rocks. The surf means here waves beyond the beach was spiked with rocks. The waves beyond the beach were striking upon the spiky rocks. Somehow the man had managed to come through them. Them means here the waves and the spiky rocks. Somehow the man had managed to come through the waves and the spiky rocks. He must be badly torn. Torn means here wounded or injured. The man must be badly wounded or injured. They saw when they came toward him that indeed it was so. They means Dr. Sadao and Hannah saw when they came toward him means toward the man, that indeed it was. It means the condition of the man was as they had expected. The sand on one side of him had already a stain. Stain means spot, mark of red. Soaking means wet through. The sand on one side of the man had already a mark of red color that was wet completely. He is wounded, Sadao exclaimed. Dr. Sadao exclaimed that the man was wounded. He made haste to the man who lay motionless. Dr. Sadao hurriedly went to the man who was lying motionless, his face in the sand, and his face was in the sand. An old cap stuck to his head, soaked with seawater, and an old cap that was stuck to his head was soaked means wet with sea water. He was in wet rags means torn of garments. He means the man was wearing wet torn garments. Sadao stopped. Dr. Sadao stopped. Hannah at his side. Hannah, his wife, was at his side and turned the man's head. And Dr. Sadao turned the man's head. They saw the face. They means Dr. Sadao and Hannah saw the face of the man. A white man, Hannah whispered. Whispered means said in soft voice. Hannah said in soft voice that the man was a white man. Actually, the man was a white man, an American. Actually, the timing of the story is during the Second World War. Japan and America were at the war. That was why Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah were surprised to see an American. Yes, it was a white man. Yes, the man was a white man. The wet cap fell away and there was his wet yellow hair, long as though for many weeks it had not been cut. The wet cap fell away and there was his wet yellow hair, long as though for many weeks it had not been cut, and upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow beard. And upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow beard. He was unconscious. The man was unconscious and knew nothing that they did for him.